Understanding Calibrate the Lenses, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, calibrate the lenses. Whether you're an aspiring photographer, a scientist, or just curious about English expressions, understanding this phrase will add a valuable piece to your language puzzle. Let's dive in and unfold its meaning and usage. Calibrate the lenses might sound technical at first, but let's break it down. Calibration refers to the process of accurately adjusting the settings or performance of a tool or device to ensure its precision and effectiveness. Lenses, on the other hand, are curved pieces of glass or other transparent materials used in devices like cameras, telescopes, and glasses to focus or redirect light. When we combine these terms, calibrate the lenses essentially means adjusting the lenses to ensure they produce the clearest, most accurate image or result possible. It's about fine-tuning the instrument to achieve optimal performance. Photography and filmmaking. In photography and filmmaking, calibrating the lenses ensures that the camera captures sharp, well-defined images. It involves adjusting the focus, aperture, and sometimes the lens itself to match the camera body perfectly. Science and optometry. In science and optometry, this phrase takes on a more literal meaning. Scientists calibrate microscope lenses to observe specimens accurately, while optometrists adjust lenses in glasses or contact lenses to correct vision. Metaphorical use. Beyond its literal sense, calibrate the lenses can be used metaphorically. It might signify the need to adjust one's perspective or approach to see a situation more clearly or to understand a concept better. Understanding this phrase is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about appreciating the precision in both language and in the tasks we perform daily. Whether adjusting a physical lens or shifting your viewpoint, the concept of calibration reminds us of the importance of clarity and accuracy in our lives and work. Thank you for joining us to explore Calibrate the Lenses. We hope this discussion not only clarified the phrase but also highlighted the importance of precise adjustments in various aspects of life. Remember, language learning is about connecting with the world around us in more meaningful ways. Keep tuning your lenses, both literally and figuratively, to see the beauty and detail of the world in its fullest. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.